Email writing. Students, I am going to teach you about how to write email. Email is the fastest way of communication nowadays compared to conventional methods to send messages by postal addresses on paper. Let's have first important point about components of email address. First of all, before writing email, one should have email address. Usually email address is unique for everybody. Here an example like abcxyz@gmail.com. Now what is abcxyz? That is identity. That is unique. That never be same for any person, like our fingerprints. It is differ from person to person. Similarly, email address must be differ from person to person. And another component, that is gmail.com. It is service provider. So this is the components of email address, very important. Coming to structure of email, the first one is to. In Gujarati, if you look at or make translation of to, is prati, means it is the recipient of the message. In the email structure, another one is CC. The full form of CC is carbon copy, and it is considered as secondary recipient, and that is also another email address. Another structure component is BCC, blind carbon copy. It considered as tertiary recipient, third email address. But this blind carbon copy has one unique characteristic. It is not visible to primary and secondary recipients. Means primary and secondary recipient do not know the third recipients, but the third recipient, tertiary recipient, know primary and secondary recipients. એટલે સપોઝ કોઈ એવા વ્યક્તિને મેસેજ મોકલ્યો છે એ ખબર ના પડવા દેવી હોય તો બીસીસીમાં એનું ઈમેલ એડ્રેસ લખવાનું આવે. બીસીસીમાં લખેલું ઈમેલ એડ્રેસ આગળના જે પ્રાઇમરી અને સેકન્ડરી રિસિપિયન્ટ્સ છે તેમને ખ્યાલ ન આવે, પરંતુ બીસીસીમાં લખેલા ઈમેલ એડ્રેસ રિસિપિયન્ટને ટુ અને સીસીમાં લખેલું ઈમેલ એડ્રેસની જાણ હોય છે. Now in the email structure there is a space given in which one has to write the message, whatever the message one should convey to their recipients to be written. Dear sir or madam, good morning, how are you? I visited this place, was wonderful. I recommend you should visit that place. Or any formal messages, informal messages to be communicated. Finally, thanking you, yours faithfully, and sender's name to be written. At last, at the bottom of this email writing structure, the option available called send. It is to be clicked by mouse and the message immediately appear that your message sent successfully. And in a couple of seconds, the recipient receive the message and the matter to be communicated in a couple of minutes to the recipients. Thanking you students. Any doubts? Feel free to contact me. Thanks.